Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some traditional cottagecore decor ideas. Let's take a look. The goal is to create a home that feels warm, nostalgic, welcoming, and connected to nature. Here are some traditional cottagecore decor tips. Decorate with fresh or dried flowers. Place wildflowers, lavender or eucalyptus in ceramic or glass vases to add natural beauty and a pleasant touch. Add lace details. Use lace curtains, dollies or table toppers to bring a delicate, vintage-inspired elegance to the room. Display books creatively. Stick old books on coffee tables, shelves, or bedside tables, and pair them with candles or small plants for a cozy display. Use natural woven rugs. Jute, seashell, or braided cotton rugs add warmth and texture while complementing wooden floors beautifully. Keep the space cozy and uncluttered. Decorate with carefully chosen pieces instead of filling every corner. A balanced, lived-in look feels peaceful and welcoming. Use vintage mirrors. Hang mirrors with distressed wooden or antique style frames to reflect light and make rooms feel brighter and more spacious. Decorate with wooden trays. Place wooden trays on coffee tables or kitchen counters to organize candles, flowers, books, or tea cups while adding texture. Choose soft linen curtains. Light linen or cotton curtains let in natural sunlight, creating an airy and peaceful cottage atmosphere. Display antique kitchenware. Showcase vintage teapots, animal pictures, copper pots, or old baking dishes on shelves for timeless country charm. Create a cozy reading corner. Add a comfortable armchair, a soft throw blanket, a small side table, and a reading lamp to create a relaxing retreat. Use seasonal decorations. Decorate with fresh flowers in spring, wildflowers in summer, pumpkins in autumn, and pine branches in winter to keep your home connected to nature. Incorporate soft quilted bedding, layer quilts, patchwork blankets, and cotton pillows to make your bedroom feel inviting and comfortable. Use glass jars for storage. Store flour, pasta, herbs, dried flowers, or craft supplies in clear glass jars to combine beauty with practicality. Let imperfections shine. Embrace weathered wood, handmade pottery, vintage finds, and well-loved furniture. These unique details give traditional cottagecore its authentic, lived-in character. Decorate with vintage candle holders. Use brass, iron, or ceramic candle holders on dining tables, mantels, or shelves to create a warm and timeless ambience. Use wooden crates for storage. Stack old wooden crates to organize books, blankets, or plants while adding rustic charm to any room. Choose furniture with curved details. Peaches with round legs, curved wood, or rounded edges add a soft, traditional cottage feel. Display oven hats and baskets. Hang straw hats or shallow oven baskets on the wall to create simple yet eye-catching nature decor. Add a floral centerpiece. Place fresh garden flowers or dried blooms in a vintage pitcher or ceramic vase as the focal point of your dining or coffee table. Mix different wood finishes. Combine light, medium, and dark wood furniture instead of matching everything. This creates a collected, lived-in look. Use natural scents. Fill your home with the fragrance of lavender, vanilla, cinnamon, or fresh herbs using candles or dried bouquets. Style windowsills. Decorate windowsills with potted herbs, small ceramic pots, vintage bottles, or tiny flower arrangements to make them feel charming. Add cozy seating accessories. Layer chairs and benches with soft cushions, knitted rugs, or quilted seat pads for extra comfort. Use vintage wall clock. Hang an antique style clock with a wooden or metal frame to add timeless charm and a nostalgic focal point. Decorate with oven lampshades. Choose wicker or rattan lampshades to bring natural texture and create a soft, cozy glow. Layer table linens. Combine lace tablecloths, linen runners, and cotton napkins to make dining tables feel elegant yet relaxed. Showcase handmade pottery. Display handcrafted bowls, mugs, and pitchers on open shelves to celebrate simple craftsmanship. Add a cozy window seat. If you have a window nook, decorate it with soft cushions and a knitted throw for a peaceful reading or tea corner. Use antique style hardware. Replace modern cabinet handles and drawer pulls with brass, ceramic, or iron hardware for a classic cottage look. Decorate with dried herbs. Hang bundles of rosemary, thyme, lavender, or shiz in the kitchen to add natural beauty and rustic character. Include a rocking chair. A wooden rocking chair with a cozy blanket creates a welcoming spot to relax and enhances the traditional cottage feel. Style your fireplace or mantle. Decorate it with candles, vintage frames, small plants, and seasonal greenery to create a warm focal point. Use vintage trunks as furniture. Place an old wooden trunk at the foot of the bed or use it as a coffee table for extra storage and rustic charm. Decorate with porcelain dishes. Display floral porcelain plates, teacups, and serving bowls in a glass cabinet or on open shelves for a classic cottage look. Choose natural wood flooring. Wooden floors or wood look finishes create a warm foundation that complements cottagecore style beautifully. Add a simple entryway bench. A wooden bench with oven baskets underneath provides practical storage while making your entry feel welcoming. Use soft, layered bedding. Combine crepes cotton sheets, floral quilts, knitted rugs, and plenty of pillows for a cozy, inviting bed. Create a charming tea station. Set up a small corner with a teapot, teacups, a sugar bowl, and a wooden tray to celebrate the cozy cottage lifestyle. Add botanical inspired textiles. Choose cushions, curtains, or table joiners featuring leaves, wildflowers, or small garden plants for a subtle natural touch.